Hey guys, welcome back to Nature's Cadence Farm. We're here on location at Nature's Cadence Farm, and today I actually have a really neat project for us. I'm actually filming this in the office trailer. Hopefully you watched the office trailer delivery video that we've got on the channel there. We'll put a link somewhere up here for you. But either way, yeah, so what I've got here is something that's kind of neat. It's a multifunction, hopefully you can read that, multifunction brush cutter. And I got this on eBay, and I'll put a link somewhere down below in the description or somewhere. And so what it has the, the power head and a pole saw and a brush cutter attachment and a hedge trimmer attachment and an extension pole. And the head, and I think it even comes with the blades too. In fact, I know it comes with the blades. And what else? Earmuffs, safety glasses, gloves, I think. Anyways, have not opened the box yet. You can see it's clearly completely sealed. I'm kind of anxious to get it open, but I wanted to save the complete unboxing for you guys. So let me get the camera adjusted, and I'm going to get you in here a little closer and show you exactly what's in here. So let's see, I've got my utility knife here, and I'm just going to cut down along the side. Maybe along that side. Yeah. There we go. Alright. Well, there's something orange in there. Let's see. So, alright, well, so this is how it comes. So I've got looks like I've got a harness here. So let's open that up. Yep. It's the harness for the brush cutter. Looks complicated, but I'm sure we'll figure that out. There's the deflector. Get that out of there. The deflector for the brush cutter attachment. Oh, there's those ear protectors, earmuffs here. That's nice. Looks like I'm going to need some more room for all this stuff. Alright. So let's see here, I've got a trash can, or put it over there. Alright, so got some styrofoam over here. Looks like it protects the power head. Supposedly this is a 52cc engine on here, and it looks healthy. It's big. These are like leg gaiters that go on your pants legs to protect from things hitting you, I guess. Debris and whatnot. What do we got here? Oh, here's the chain. The chain for the pole saw. So that's exciting. Alright, well here's the trimmer head. So looks okay. Alright. Here's some we'll call them leather palm gloves. I'm not sure exactly what that is. Probably some kind of faux something. The stitching, I don't know if you can see the stitching on there. It's kind of rough, and different fabric on this one. But hey, okay, it's just like a mini landscaping kit in a box. And there's a mixing bottle for your fuel, and this is a brace that goes on the handle that keeps the brush cutter from coming all the way back and hitting you. That's supposed to stop it. Oh, let's see here. Looks like we've got a trimmer attachment, or a hedge trimmer attachment. I'm trying to get that off of there. So it looks like one of the little plastic guards has fallen off, and the cheap plastic is ripped, which is fine. So we'll just put the put the cover back on there for now. Maybe keep me from getting hurt. Alright, funnel, trimmer head. We'll fool with that later. I don't need really another string trimmer, but I needed a pole saw and the hedge trimmer that goes with the pole. Make things a little nicer. Oh, look at that. Safety glasses. The bar for the pole saw. Looks like just the extension pole. So far, all in all, the quality is, you know, to be expected. Plastic knob on there. This is metal, but I did watch a video, I think it's Love to Boat 92. He did a pretty good review on this, and I wanted to do about the same thing he did, just to help give you another idea of what to expect. Here's a tool kit, it says, with tools and hardware in it. Hopefully that's all we need. So here's the last piece of the puzzle is the power head. So let's get this box. Okay, here's a brush cutter blade and the destruction manual. So get this set in here. Right now I don't need the funnel of the mixer thing, so we'll set that over to the side. So this has some plastic on it. Alright. Nice. Looks like all that works. Okay. So I am going to use the knife to cut this tape that they have put around the bubble wrap so I can get the bubble wrap off. Alright. Yeah, there we go. Alright, so there is that. And this is plastic on top, plastic on the outside, plastic for the carburetor cover. Yeah, I wouldn't expect it to be, you know, too heavy duty, but either way, yeah, this was very affordable. So yeah, this tool kit with all of the pieces and parts was very affordable on eBay. I'm not going to give you the price, less than $200, because it could go up or down. I'm not sure. The market demand, you know, it's all plays a part in the cost of it. But here it is. I'm going to pull on the little rope here just to see if it turns over, and it does. All right, that's good. Looks like the choke works. It was in the on position. I don't know if they ever start these up at the factory where they make them. So we'll have to see if it even runs or needs tuning or anything like that, because it's really kind of hard telling where it's at. So alright, well, let's try to put so that's the disassembly part. So we're gonna start up. Not disassembly, unboxing. So there was the unboxing and all the things that were in the box with it that I've got laid out here. And I'm gonna have some more parts coming soon. Not parts for this, but more parts of videos coming soon. So stay tuned for those. The next video I do is going to be an assembly video of how to get all this stuff together and ready to use. So anyways, guys, thanks for watching, and we'll see you in part 2 of the brush cutter video. See you next time.